Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Tech City. Today we are diving into an awesome dashboard which is built on the platform AIV as it gives us some exciting insights into the world of movies and web shows, all pulled from IMDb ratings and stats. So let's get started. So now I will show you how you can download data for your dashboard. Simply first open any browser and search for Kaggle. You will find this interface. Click on the first website. You will redirect to the Kaggle. If you have not an account in Kaggle, you need to first create an account and log in. Now, on the left hand side, you can see the dataset section. Click on that and search for the dataset you want. So, I want IMDb dataset. So, search and click on that. Now, select datasets and from here, download the data you want. Like you can see the downloads that are made, like it is 86,271 downloads. So I want this data to be downloaded. So I will simply click on that and you can see the columns, like 16 columns and one file are there. You can also see the size 438 KB. Now simply click on the download button. So dataset will download it automatically like this. Now, now I will show you how you can create report and dataset in AIV. So first, expand the hamburger menu on left hand side. Now expand the document section and click on reports. From here, click on the upload button and click on this to upload like this. Now select the file you want. Like I want this, so I will click on this and click on upload. So the report is successfully created. Now to create a data set, again expand the hamburger menu on left hand side. Now go to the master data and expand it and click on dataset option. Now from here, click on create dataset and go to the existing files and change the source to reports. Now choose the type the dataset is, like the dataset I have created. The report I have created is CSV. So search for the file you have created reported from. So there is IMDb top. Now give a suitable name for it, like movies IMDb, and click on create to create dataset. So the dataset is created successfully. Now I will show you the dashboard which I have created in AIV, name as Movieverse. So this is the Movieverse dashboard created using AIV, powerful analytical tool. The idea here is to give you a snapshot of trending shows, web shows, ratings, movies, and genre has all in one clean interactive space where you are a movie buff, a data nerd, or just someone looking for their next binge watch shows or movies. This dashboard has something for you. So now we'll start from the top where we have a heading named as into the movieverse. Now coming to the next analytical where we got some key matrices named as total genre, total viewers, total country and average age of viewer. where 18 total genre are there, 2,500 total viewers, 10 total country where these web shows and movies are streamed, and the 30 age is the age of average viewer. So next we come to the chart section where first is pie chart breaking down the content by movies and web shows where 69% are movies and the rest 30% is TV shows, which shows a nice glance quick of insight. Then next it is a picture or image which displays the theme of this dashboard, which is IMDb. Full form is Internet Movie Database. Next chart we have is a fun bar graph showing genre preferences where we got a pretty straightforward breakdown here as lot of non-horror content is there and a small slice of horror lovers are also there. Next chart we have is a total country where viewers are turning in from which country is beautifully demonstrate where the US leads followed by Canada, UK, Australia, Spain and Italy. It also shows which country has more streamed the movies and web shows. Next, we have is a gender chart. It shows the distribution and balance of insightful for marketers in which male and female, well, both are same in this ratio. Next and lastly, we have the chart name subscription type where we have standard, premium, and basic shows how users are assessing the content and loving the content. So now coming to an interesting part of this dashboard. Here it is a beautifully designed custom visualization that shows the poster, name, ratings, and genre of web shows and movies. So that is a benefit of using a AIV. You can also design it easily by your own. So let's start with top rated movies and web shows on IMDb. On top, we got heavy hitters like Game of Thrones, Stranger Things, and Lucifer, with Game of Thrones ratings 9.2, genre fantasy. Stranger Things ratings been 8.7, Lucifer ratings has 8.1. We also see Daredevil, Avengers, Infinity War, and other Iron Man. So these visuals are clickable. Like when you click on the IMDb button, it will redirect you to an official IMDb website where you can see a trailer like this.
They're all just spokes on a wheel, crushing those on the ground.
And you can also see name of creators, star, you can see description and the cast of the series or web show. So it is a really cool feature for users who want a quick access. As you scroll down, you will find a more favorite like Batman, Fighting Club, Breaking Bad, and Cobra Kai. Notice how the genre and ratings are displayed. It makes it super easy to browse by your mood and preferences. The interactive, the layout, and especially the real-time lineage to IMDb make a powerful tool for user. And there you have it, a quick tour of Movieverse dashboard on AIV. If you are into a data visualization or just love smart dashboards, you got to check this platform out. So smash the like button if you enjoyed walkthrough, subscribe for more tech and dashboard reviews, and drop a comment below if you want a tutorial on how to build something like this yourself. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.